Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video, we're going to be looking at another new tool from Klein that they sent me out. This is the Klein Tools Auto Loading Utility Knife. Part number is 44308. Looks like it's going to run you about $21, $22. I've seen it at Acme Tools. So it is a auto loading knife with this dual magazine right here. It holds two different blades or two different types of blades, or you can just run double of the main blade that you use all the time if you only use one type of blade. They do provide you with 5 standard blades, also 5 hook blades. Here is the back of the package if you want to zoom in and check out any of that. Also a QR code down there at the bottom as well. Maybe you can scan that and go get a little bit more information. You can see it is made in Vietnam. So I'm going to get out of the package. I'm going to see how it works. I'm going to see how the blades like load in and out. Can you use another brand blade with it? All those kinds of things like that, to hopefully help you decide if it's the right tool for you. Let's get it out of the package. So out of the package, you've got the knife itself, or I guess really the holder of the knife, since this doesn't have the blade. The blades are actually stored in the cartridge, and you can see on here you have some numbers. So this is a number 2 that corresponds with these blades, whichever you load in there. And then here is a number 1 on the back side, because you can't really tell what blade you have in there. Like this is the standard blades here. These are the hook blades. You wouldn't really know that, so you have to remember which side you store certain blades in if you're running 2 different blades, or you can fill these both up with your standard utility blades and just have 10 regular blades as well. But let's say I want to use number 1 here. I'm going to load that in the closest to the actual, where the blades come out up here, and it's just a matter of pushing it in. You just press it, clicks in, and now whenever I take this, just like any other utility knife, push that forward, there's my blade. In order to, like, say I've used this blade, now I want to flip it, press this button up here, pull out your blade. You can then flip it, so you can still use both sides of the blade. Lock that in. I can still keep using that blade over and over again. But now let's say both sides are bad and I want to get to a new blade. You just remove it, pull it back, reload. There's your next blade right there, up to 5 blades on this side. So now let's say I've used these and now I want to use my other type of blade to eject this. You just pull back this lever here to the unlock. You're going to see it kind of pop out a little bit. Like there it's in, there it pops out. Flip it over to the number 2, slide that in, and now I can just push this blade out, and you can see I've got a hook blade right there. Same thing, I can flip that around, use both sides of the blade, put that back, or whenever I'm done, I can put that back in. Now let's say I want to use maybe some other blade that I have. Will other blades work? Basically, as long as it's your standard style blade that has these 2 little indentions right here, and it's a standard size, it's going to work. I'll show you here. We'll go ahead and push this back, unload this cartridge. So to load this, I'm going to go ahead and load a Stanley Fat Max blade. So to load this, you're going to put your blade in like this, push it in. You basically got to get your blade behind this little black plastic right here, and then also line up this right here with this little nub. So you're going to slide it back in, slide it under that plastic, let it catch into place. So now I've got a Stanley blade there. We'll put this in, and you can see that comes out just the same. There's that Stanley Fat Max. Hit the camera there for a second, but there's that Stanley Fat Max logo, if you can kind of see that there. So again, loading it's pretty easy. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this back out. We're going to load this. Again, you're just going to push it in and just slide it back. Make sure this goes underneath of that little plastic tab right there. You'll kind of feel it click. Same thing with this one. Take this one, slide it in, push this back up and under that little plastic tab, put that in as well. And again, good to go. So up to 10 blades. You don't have to use the hook blades and a standard blade. You could use all standard blades, all hook blades. If you've got some other blade, again, as long as it's got those 2 little nubs and it's your standard size, it should work. As far as the knife itself, overall dimensions, you're looking at about 6 3/4 inches on the length, about 1 inch's thickness, and then also about maybe a inch and I'm going to call it 3/8 as far as that way. Also has kind of like a tether loop right there if that's something that you're interested in. Has a nice feel to it as far as the weight and everything. It's not like overly heavy, but it's heavy enough to feel like, whenever I'm using a knife like this, I'm typically using it for a lot of pressure and stuff. It's not like a fastback or something that I keep in my pocket. It's for jobs where I really want to get down on something. So I like the weight of it anyway. So the part number again is 44308. Gonna run you roughly $21, but essentially it is a knife that holds a lot of blades, and then you can also change them quickly. If that's something you've been looking for, maybe this is the right fit for you. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. Let me know if you're gonna pick it up, or maybe you've had your hands on this for a little while. Let us know how you feel about it as well. As always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.